Welcome traders, Patrick with Trading123.net. In today's video we're going to talk about the Trading123 Autotrader here. We're trading the crude oil, and we got a trade on NQ and I think one on ES. So here at the open, crude oil, analyzed it last week. It sold off from the mid 80s all the way down here to 75. So today was a snapback Monday, and that's exactly what happened with crude oil. For those of you that were shorting right here, you probably, got stuck, and then the market took off and just kept going and going and going. And the auto trader gets long. It makes all the decisions for you. Hit its first profit target, second profit target, and we hit our $500 goal. 500 a day times 5 times a week. It's 2,500. Do the math. That's a nice monthly profit. So that's our breakout trade on the reversal with crude oil. And here is the strategy performance. Show it was a live trade. Total net profit 506. Largest winning trade $195. Potential profit per month on a 30-day basis is 15,400. And all the other statistics there that you can see. We paid $13.56 in commission on this trade. And it goes to show you it was not a back test like others do. So let's move on to the next trade. And here's our ES trade. The market was, day after holiday typically is a lighter volume day. So the auto trader got short here and had the falling off the cliff look. It sold off some, but then it hit our first two profit targets for a nice gain, and then the third one gets stopped out like it was attempting to bounce back and reverse. So we took our gains, and the ES was just moving too slow, so we didn't trade it. Took our gains and move on to the NQ trades. So let's look at those. NQ here. Here's where we started the auto trader when it was in a downtrend. We got our trend filter on. So the trend was down, so it didn't take this long, and then the trend got a change here. It got short, got some gains, and the trend was still down, so it didn't take this long, and then it took this short, and we hit our profit goal of $600 minus commission. Again, we're not going for any home runs on these trades. We're just looking to make $500 to $600 because of the day after the holiday, and we did, and we take it and bank it. And I think we had one more trade in the NQ, so let's look at that. But first, here is the strategy performance. Total net profit 595. Made 6 trades, 100% winners. Largest winner 155. Total profit per month on a 30 basis that NinjaTrader calculates $18,100. So that's our NQ trade. And then here's the next trade and our last trade of the day here on the NQ. Started it just after 10:30. Market was kind of going sideways there. Started around 10:35 actually, and the trend made a trend change and it got long, and it was kind of sideways here, so it hit the first two profit targets. And we tightened up our profit targets a little bit because, like I said, it's the day after holiday, and the market is usually slow on a Monday after Thanksgiving, Easter, and all those holidays. So that's something you learn when you're trading. Why isn't the market going? Well, it's the day after a holiday. Most people are still out of town or took a few days off. And then the auto trader gets short here, and we hit our first target, and then the last two get stopped out on a little wiggle bounce. And then the market kind of goes sideways. It didn't take the long because the trend was down, but no worries. It took the short, hit all 3 profit targets, and we're almost to our $600 goal. And then it reverses and hits our goal, and the trade is over. Prints daily profit on the chart, and we made our profit target and we're done trading. So that's the power of trade automation. Let the auto trader strategy make all the decisions for you, and that's what it did here. Like I said, we're not going for home runs. $500, $600 profit on a slow day is very good, and we'll come back and run it again tomorrow. We'll show you tomorrow's video. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe and like button there in the video at the end, and follow us on our Facebook and Twitter pages, and we'll see you in the next video.